In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule discounts on Shopify. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to set your discount to go live and end automatically, so you don't have to be at your computer when your promotion starts or finishes. First, head over to shopify.com and click on Login. Sign into your store's admin, and if you manage multiple stores, make sure you're in the correct one for this promotion. Once you're in the admin, look to the left-hand panel and click on Discounts. This is your home base for creating, managing, and tracking any discount you offer. Next, click on Create Discount. Shopify will show you several discount types to choose from. You can create codes for a percentage off, a dollar amount off, free shipping, or even buy X, get Y. For this tutorial, we're going with amount off order, which takes a fixed amount off the entire order and is great for straightforward promos like $10 off your cart. After selecting amount off order, you can fill out the general details of your discount as needed, like the title or code and how much to take off. But our focus today is on scheduling. To set a schedule, scroll all the way down to the very bottom of the page and look for the section called Active Dates. This is where you control when the discount becomes available and when it stops working. Start by setting a start date, then set the time. You'll notice the time is set to PST, which stands for Pacific Standard Time. Shopify uses your store's time zone for scheduling, so be mindful if you're planning a promo for another region. This start time is the exact moment your discount will become available to customers. If you want the discount to end automatically, check the box that says Set End Date. Then choose the date and set the time for when you want the promotion to stop. This is useful for limited time sales or weekend events. Keep in mind the discount will stop right at the minute you set, so give yourself a small buffer if you're coordinating with an email or social post. When everything looks good, click Save. Your discount is now scheduled. You can come back and edit the dates or times anytime before it goes live, and you can always pause or adjust it later if something changes. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more practical Shopify tips.